Hey guys, I'm Kevin from NativeCode. Let's see how to renew support. Visit support.nativecode.in, click on Login, sign in with Envato. Once logged in, go to the profile, click on My Tickets, and then click on New Request. Here you can see that the support has expired. There are two ways to renew it. One by Lemon Squeezy, by visiting store.nativecode.in, which is for both Indians and foreign countries, and the other by using Razorpay, which is for Indian people. Now click on store.nativecode.in, choose your appropriate support plan, and complete the payment process. After the payment process, you will get a license key through email. Then, come back again to the support panel and type or enter the NativeCode store license key and purchase code. And once you cross-check it, click on Update Support, and your support plan will be activated. And now click on Sync Purchases to complete the process. Now let's see how Razorpay works. Here you can see two links. Select any one of it according to your preference and complete the process using the correct purchase code. Then your support plan will be renewed automatically. That is it, guys. This is how both Lemon Squeezy and Razorpay support renewal works. Blast off!